If you plan to attend the University of Idaho after graduating high school, this video will show you how to use the University of Idaho Transfer Course Equivalency site to plan your dual credit courses from institutions other than the University of Idaho. To begin, you will want to bring up the degree plan for the major or majors you are currently interested in pursuing. You can look up different majors using the University of Idaho's Degree Finder. Let's use marketing for this example. Once you locate the major you want to plan coursework for, click on the degree roadmap and find the degree plan. Typically, you will focus on the first 4 semesters. Next, go to the Transfer Course Equivalencies website. Plan to look up more than one course. You can add the equivalents you find to a list using the plus add View My List button at the top right of the grid. Once you are done adding courses to your list, you can download an Excel file or have the Excel file emailed to you or someone else with a message included. You can use the search box or use the alphabet at the top of the grid to find any institutions you plan to earn credit from. Let's use College of Western Idaho. Use the degree plan to determine which course you want to find an equivalent for. Let's look for an equivalent to the Econ 201 requirement. Before you click Search, make sure you select Equivalent Course located under the course code box. The results show any equivalents that are offered at the institution you plan to attend. You can see that for this example, the course codes match. Keep in mind this won't necessarily be true for all courses, but it will for many. For example, if we look at University of Idaho's BUS 190, we find that the equivalent is BUSA 101 at the College of Western Idaho. You may also find more than one result for a course. This can happen for a few reasons. What you'll need to do is look up which course is currently offered at your selected institution. Let us know if you have any questions or want to walk through this with an advisor.